Good. Wendell Carter, only 19.
Oh, Clay's 3 for 3.
Well, they lost Chris Dunn, their best perimeter defender.
And putting it up and in. Looney able to lay it in. Missing there. 3 seconds to work with. Jerebko at 1 from midcourt. He had a good look at it. And he backed it in.
He and Draymond, the two starters. Jerebko to Thompson firing. He does not need much space.
Mavericks are very good at home this year.
There you see the late of the rookie.
Looney comes back for another block. Steph had made 1. Back-to-back threes. Stephen Curry. Casual with 8 minutes left in the third quarter. It's NBA leads dissipate.
How can they leave him open?
Now Durant. Back to Curry. Curry the drive and leaves it for Durant. And he buries another one. They woke him up all right. Thompson. He lifts one from way downtown.
And that's all set up with Draymond Green in the screen. I mean, Draymond Green came over and set a screen to allow him to come off